Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's shaughnaaac. Today's look is going to be a kind of blue icy look. Let's get started. So of course you guys already know that I add my booster drop sun kissed and just rub that in all over my face. Now I do my eyebrows and I prep my lid with the same exact concealer that I use for my eyebrows. Now I set my lids with the e.l.f. setting powder. Okay, now I'm going to go into my e.l.f. Mad for Matte palette and grab this cream kind of shade and just blend that in. I'm going to take this blue shade and drag it from the outer corner on top of the middle of the lid into the inner corner. Okay, now I'm going to go into my Jewels Rock palette and grab this metallic light blue and dark blue and just pack that into the middle of the lid. So I put my lashes and eyeliner on. Now I'm going to take the same exact colors that I use for my eyelids and put it on my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to take my e.l.f. concealer and go over my dark spots with that, blend that out, and then I'm going to use my face powder and just go over that. Okay, now I'm going to take my Milan highlighter and just put that all over my face. Now I'm going to line my lips with this knobby lip liner and go over that with some lip gloss. Here's the final look, and I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!